Lingopoly is a fun board game for learning foreign languages. A fun adventure will take you across the game board through many everyday life situations. Practice by playing the games. With over 340 creative flashcards, an instruction manual and online tutorials, Lingopoly is appropriate for visual, auditory and kinesthetic learning styles. The collection is suitable for self-study, playing with friends and family, or for spending quality time on vacation or on the road. The board game encourages creativity, gives discussion topics, and trains your memory. The games help memorize new vocabulary quickly. Lingopoly is an essential tool for foreign language teachers, helping students relax and encouraging fun and spontaneous communication. With the help of Lingopoly, your students will never get bored and will look forward to upcoming lessons. Get your game while stocks last.